Critical thinking involves evaluating information, analyzing arguments, and making well-informed decisions. It's a valuable skill for academic success and real-life problem-solving. Meet critical thinking, the compass guiding you through complex decisions. It's not just about processing information, it's about analyzing it, dissecting it. Think of it as your brain's detective, sifting through evidence, questioning everything, and not settling until the truth is uncovered. But it's not just for academics. Ever faced a tough decision or complex problem in life? Here's where critical thinking shines, helping you make informed, logical choices. So, boost your critical thinking. Harness this powerful tool. Become a problem solver, a decision maker, and a truth seeker. Think critically. Think smart. Unleash your inner detective today.